up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. I'm out here with this 1996 Camaro Z28. We redid it all black. Those are 24s on it, so the front and back had to be notched out for the car to be able to turn and for the wheels to clear. The rims were painted also to match the vehicle. Y'all know we had to put that stamp on it. I got the car running because it's like 32 degrees outside. So it's very, very cold. We're out here at the storage. The reason me and my body man P brung it out here is because the customers are going to be out of the country for 2 more weeks. And we got a lot going on at John's Restoration, so we needed the room. And this one is complete, so we wanted to bring it out here so that nothing happens. Customer got those HIDs in there. Evening time, it's kind of dark outside, or getting dark rather. You can see the depth in the paint. That's the sky reflecting off the hood. I think the only thing that's not shining on this vehicle is them tires. They kind of ashy. You know, after we do fresh paint, we don't usually armor all it right away. John's Restoration, 1996 Camaro Z28. Contact number 757-713-2277. Email is johnsrestoration@aol.com. Facebook for all the before and after pictures of this vehicle. John's Restoration 2.